So, we've been talking about AI for a while now. It's been in our phones, it's been in our cars, it's been in our smart speakers, but 2025 feels different. It's the year where AI stops being just a cool feature and starts becoming a true partner in our daily lives. We are moving past simple commands and into a new era of automation. This isn't about robots taking over the world, it's about smart tools that handle the boring stuff. This shift frees up our time and our brain power. It allows us to focus on the things that really matter: creativity, big ideas, connecting with people. The tools we're seeing this year are smarter, more integrated, easier to use than ever before. Think about your daily routine. How much of it is just repetitive tasks, answering the same emails, scheduling meetings, organizing files, making to-do lists? These are the little things that eat up your day. Now imagine if all of that could be handled for you intelligently. That's the promise of 2025. In this list, we're going to count down the top 5 AI automation tools. Coming in at number 5 is a tool called Flow. Think of it as the personal assistant you've always wanted, but supercharged with AI. It's not just another calendar app or to-do list. Flow connects to all your other apps: your email, your calendar, your messaging apps, even your food delivery service. It learns your patterns and starts to manage your life for you. It's designed to handle all the small, annoying tasks that clutter your day. The goal of Flow is to give you back your time so you can focus on what's important, whether that's a big project at work or just relaxing at home. So here's a real-world example of how Flow works. Let's say you get an email from a colleague that says, "Let's meet next week to discuss the project." In the past, you'd have to open your calendar, find a free spot, email them back with options, and then wait for a reply. With Flow, it sees that email and automatically checks your schedule and your colleague's public calendar. It then suggests a few perfect meeting times to both of you. Once you both agree, it adds the event to your calendars and even creates a video call link. It handles the entire back and forth process in seconds. What makes Flow stand out in 2025 is its deep integration and learning ability. It goes beyond simple scheduling. For instance, it can notice you have a lunch meeting scheduled and ask if you want to order food to the office ahead of time. It's truly a central hub for your life, making Flow an essential tool for reclaiming your time. At number 4, we have a tool that's really democratizing creation: Codex Junior. For years, if you wanted to build an app or a website, you needed to know how to code. That was a huge barrier for a lot of people with great ideas. Codex Junior changes all of that. It's a no-code platform. Describe what you want in plain English. You don't write a single line of code, you just talk or type to the AI, and it builds the app for you. This is a massive deal for entrepreneurs, small business owners, anyone with an idea. Let's break that down with an example. Imagine you run a small bakery and want a simple customer app. See your daily menu, place an order, pay online. With Codex Junior, you'd type or say, "Build an app for my bakery." The AI generates the app structure for you. Our number 3 pick is Synapse, and this one is for anyone who has ever worked on a team project. Synapse is an AI project management tool that does way more than just track tasks. It acts like an experienced project manager, overseeing everything, identifying potential problems, and helping the team stay on track. It connects to your team's communication channels, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and your work documents. It understands the project's goals and then intelligently guides the process from start to finish. The standout feature of Synapse is its risk detection. This is what makes it feel truly intelligent. The AI reads team conversations and monitors progress on tasks. If it sees messages like, "I'm still waiting for the data from the sales team," it will flag that as a potential bottleneck. It will then automatically notify the sales team about the dependency and ask for an update. In the number 2 spot is a tool that's going to blow the minds of artists, designers, content creators everywhere: Canvas AI. We've seen AI image generators before, but Canvas AI takes it to a whole new level. It's not just about creating an image from a text prompt. It's a collaborative creative suite. It can generate images, videos, music, and even 3D models. But more importantly, it works with you like a creative partner. It helps you brainstorm, refine ideas, and produce high-quality content faster than ever before. This tool is all about augmenting human creativity, not replacing it. Let's look at a practical use case for a YouTuber. Say you need a video intro. You could tell Canvas AI, "Create a 10-second intro animation for a tech review channel. Use a dark theme with blue and white accents. I want a futuristic, clean vibe. And compose some upbeat, electronic background music to go with it." Canvas AI will generate a few different video options with matching music tracks. You can then give it feedback, like, I like option 2, but can you make the logo animation a bit faster and the music more subtle? It iterates with you until you have the perfect result. What makes Canvas AI a must-have tool for 2025 is its multimodal capability and its understanding of style. Canvas AI acts as a massive force multiplier for creativity, allowing anyone with a vision to bring it to life in stunning detail. And finally, the #1 AI automation tool that will change 2025 forever is Nexus. This one is the big one. Nexus isn't just a single-purpose app, it's a meta-layer AI that connects all your other tools together. It's the conductor of your digital orchestra. It integrates with everything from Flow, Synapse, smart home devices, your car's operating system. Nexus creates seamless automated workflows across your entire digital life, personal and professional. It's the final piece of the puzzle, making all the other AIs work together in perfect harmony. Here's a simple but powerful example. Let's say your morning alarm goes off. Nexus knows this is the start of your workday. It automatically tells your smart coffee maker to start brewing. It pulls your first meeting of the day from your calendar and displays the agenda on your smart display. It also checks the traffic and tells you the best time to leave for the office. As you're leaving, it can set your home thermostat to an energy-saving mode and send a command to your work computer to wake from sleep. It's one trigger setting off a chain of perfectly coordinated actions. The reason Nexus is #1 is its incredible power to create custom, cross-platform automations without any coding. It uses a simple natural language interface. You could tell Nexus, when I finish a big project in Synapse, post a celebration message to the team's Slack channel, create a summary report of the project using data from our cloud drive, and then order a pizza to my house from my favorite place using Flow. Nexus understands the context and the steps required across all these different services and executes the command flawlessly. It's the ultimate if this then that tool, but with near infinite possibilities. Nexus represents the future we've been promised for years. A truly smart, connected and automated environment. It moves us from managing individual apps to orchestrating entire systems. This will fundamentally change our relationship with technology, allowing us to spend less time managing our devices and more time living our lives, with technology working silently and efficiently in the background.